The hidden gate. It was a sunny afternoon in the quaint village of Willowbrook, where the summers were long, and the air always smelled of fresh blossoms. Three adventurous friends, Oliver, Ella, and Sam, were playing in the fields that stretched out behind their homes. They loved spending their days exploring and imagining wild adventures. "Hey, look what I found!" Oliver shouted, pointing to an overgrown path leading into the woods. The path was almost hidden by thick vines and colorful wildflowers, making it look like it hadn't been traveled for years. Ella, who had a keen eye for adventure, was instantly intrigued. "Let's see where it leads," she exclaimed, her eyes gleaming with excitement. The trio pushed their way through the dense greenery, following the winding trail. Soon, they stumbled upon an old, rusty gate covered in ivy. It looked like something straight out of a fairy tale, with intricate designs of twisting vines and blooming flowers carved into its iron bars. "What do you think is behind it?" Sam asked, peering through the bars with wide eyes. "Only one way to find out," Oliver replied, giving the gate a gentle push. To their amazement, the gate creaked open, revealing a magical garden unlike anything they had ever seen. The air was filled with the sweet scent of jasmine, and vibrant flowers of every color stretched as far as the eye could see. In the center of the garden stood an enormous, ancient tree. "This is incredible," Ella gasped, stepping into the garden. "I wonder who takes care of this place." As they ventured deeper, the children discovered shimmering streams, sparkling ponds, and pathways lined with glowing stones. The entire garden seemed to be alive with magic. Meeting the mysterious creatures as the children explored the garden, they began to notice curious creatures peeking out from behind the flowers and trees. These creatures were unlike any animals they had seen before. Some had shimmering scales that reflected the sunlight. Others had soft, fur-like petals that made them look like walking flowers. One creature, in particular, caught their attention. It was a small, fluffy being with wings that shimmered like a butterfly's and eyes that twinkled with intelligence. It hovered nearby, watching them with keen interest. "Hello," Ella called out to the creature, waving her hand. To their surprise, the creature fluttered closer and spoke in a melodic voice. "Welcome, young adventurers, to the Enchanted Garden. I am Fyra, the guardian of this magical place." The children exchanged amazed glances. They had never encountered talking creatures before. "Wow, you can talk," Sam exclaimed, fascinated by Fyra's shimmering wings. "Yes, I can," Fyra replied with a gentle smile. "And you have arrived at a crucial time. Our garden is in danger, and we need your help." "What kind of danger?" Oliver asked, intrigued. Fyra explained that an ancient curse had been cast upon the garden, causing its magic to slowly fade away. The garden's hidden treasures, which maintained the magical balance, were scattered and guarded by mysterious creatures. To save the garden, the children needed to find these treasures and solve the riddles that protected them. "Will you help us?" Fyra asked, her eyes filled with hope. Without hesitation, the friends agreed to help. They were excited about the adventure and eager to save the enchanting world they had just discovered. The quest for hidden treasures. Fyra led the children to the Whispering Glade, a serene clearing filled with vibrant flowers that seemed to whisper secrets in the breeze. In the center of the glade stood a stone pedestal with an ancient map etched into its surface. "This map will guide you to the treasures hidden within the garden," Fyra explained. The children studied the map, which showed various landmarks scattered across the garden.